Glad you're with me. Anyway, team, so just where we turned around down there, you may have seen the sign on the rocks with a big stop on it. It's telling anyone else that uses this river they can't come up here. You can imagine, not a whole lot of room for us to be meeting anyone else. So we're pretty lucky. Shotover Jet has sole rights to this piece of river. So we're the only company, the only boats allowed to operate down here. And we've been operating here for 52 years.
Wow.
Yeah, we're able to get it right. Like I said, you're all still here. But for a wee bit of peace of mind for me, that we're not going to meet another boat anywhere up there, up on the rocks above us is a thermal camera, and that's watching the river. Anyone does decide to try sneak up here, it'll set off a siren through my boat, so I know not to keep coming down. Slightly reassuring. Oh guys, we're going to get back into it, eh?
Alright.
Just gonna wait here. There's a boat coming down now. We're just gonna let that go past, and then we'll get back into it. So the way these boats work is in the exact same way that a jet ski does. So sucking up water from underneath and then pumping it out the back. It gets pumped out through 2 jet units. Each have a nozzle that's about that big, and combined those 2 nozzles are pumping out just under 800 litres of water a second. So quite a bit.
Wow.
So that's what's pushing this boat along, and it's also keeping us pretty much on top of the water. So it means we can go through some really shallow places. We only need about 4 or 5 inches to actually run it. So not a lot. But yeah, pretty heavy boats with no one in them. They're weighing just under 3 tonne. So it needs some pretty big engines to push these things along. So in the back row, underneath the seats, 2 350 horsepower V8s. So 700 horsepower in these things in total. So cool toys. But yeah, so the jet unit, that was invented here in New Zealand by a guy called Bill Hamilton back in 1953. He had lots of shallow rivers running around his farm, and he wanted a way to get around them without getting stuck. So came up with that design, and it's pretty successful. We still use the same company that he started back then, so Hamilton Jet Units. And when we do one of those 360 spins, they're called a Hamilton turn originally. So yeah, thanks to Mr. Hamilton, I have a job. And you've got him to thank for yeah, jet boats and jet skis as well.
Wow.
Cool toys. Anyway team, anyone doing the whitewater rafting on this river? Planning on doing it or done it? No? Cool. Well, the next point that we head up to on the river, you get to see where their trips finish up. They finish by going through a tunnel, and that tunnel is 160 metres long. And it's blasted through the side of the hill, and it diverts most of the river. So go check that out. It's good fun if you do get the opportunity to do it. So grades 4 to 5 rapids.
Wow.
Yeah, Hamish to beach. I've seen 1 boat. So for the gorge, please. Over.
Hey Hamish, if you've seen 1, you're all clear coming up.